Smoking is one of the hardest habits to break, but it's not impossible. Today, I'll share proven strategies to help you quit smoking for good and reclaim your health. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Health risks of smoking. Let's quickly talk about why quitting smoking is so important. Did you know that smoking increases the risk of lung cancer, heart disease, and even stroke? Every puff you take damages your body. But here's the good news: once you quit, your body starts to heal almost immediately. For example, within just 20 minutes of quitting, your heart rate and blood pressure drop. After 1 year, your risk of heart disease is cut in half. Number 2, benefits of quitting: breathing easier, smelling better, and even saving money. Plus, you'll inspire those around you, especially your loved ones, to live healthier lives too. Number 3, practical tips for quitting. Now, let's get into the practical steps to quit smoking. Step 1. Set a quit date. Pick a specific day in the next 2 weeks and mark it on your calendar. Step 2. Identify your smoking triggers. Is it stress, coffee, or maybe certain social settings? Once you know your triggers, you can avoid them or replace smoking with healthier habits. Step 3. Find distractions. When cravings hit, try chewing gum, taking a short walk, or doing deep breathing exercises. Number 4. Practices opposite things. There's no shame in getting extra help. Nicotine replacement therapy, like patches or gums, can double your chances of quitting successfully. And if you're struggling, consult your doctor about prescription medications designed to help you quit. Number 5. Support systems. Quitting smoking is easier when you have support. Share your goal with family and friends. They can keep you accountable. You can also join a quit smoking support group or use apps designed to track your progress and keep you motivated. Number 6. Staying smoke-free. Once you've quit, the journey isn't over. Cravings might come back, but don't give in. Instead, remind yourself why you quit. Celebrate your milestones, like 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year smoke-free. Reward yourself with something meaningful. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your health. Remember, it's okay to ask for help and take it one day at a time. Let me know in the comments what's your biggest challenge when it comes to quitting smoking. Together, we can build a supportive community. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health tips.